Hey guys, so as you can see, this box is already opened. Wasn't planning on actually doing an unboxing for this because it's only one shoe. My other orders are still pending from Nike, but then I opened the box and I saw what got delivered and decided no, we probably need a first look at it. So yeah, let's have a look at this together. So as you can see, it's an Airmax in a black box, so we already know that it's fancy. It's super hot here today, so you can hear my aircon in the background. So it's an Airmax 90 QS laser dark pony dark light bone in a, that's so weird, it's a men's 5.5 but a woman's 5. Yeah, okay, made in Vietnam. So I'm not sure if you've been noticing, but I've been buying a lot of Airmaxes and all this other stuff because there haven't been too many Jordan releases, at least not in our area, in my country. Oh wow, I like the packaging already. Well, they have been on sneakers, but to get a hit on that is quite hard. But not on the regular Nike store. Wow, it's so hot today. Oh, this is a very premium look. Wow. That's the shoe. It looks very nice, eh? I'm gonna take both of them out. It is so hot today. I know everyone keeps their boxes, but does everyone also keep their fancy wrapping paper? I mean, not wrapping paper, what's it called? Shoe paper that comes with the box. I don't know, I like putting the shoes back in the same way that they came out and storing it like that. I have bought a few of those white shoe boxes to create shelves recently, but yeah, I still like keeping them in the boxes. So let's have a look at the shoe. So the tick is a bit smaller than normal, but honestly the work here it's like a piece of art. Wow. Let's see, it's Airmax. That was just dirt. It's very strange, but the shoe actually looks like it's been worn. Maybe once or twice. In any case, let's carry on with our first look. Soft, little bit of padding inside and here. That's very soft. Okay, I guess you can do your laces differently if you'd wish. And the color is not as brown as it's coming out in the video. It's there's your Nike tick. It's actually like a maroonish brown, like a little bum on the shoe. Okay, I don't think I've seen that before. Oh, it looks like we have a visitor here. Came to smell the shoe. Oh, that's very untidy done actually. So all the laser cut is done super neat, and then here they do a half-ass job with the glue. Oh, it's so untidy. Gosh. Actually, even a little bit here at the bottom. But I can let that slide because you can just move it out. But oh my gosh, this is where did this come from? Yeah, even this one, it's neat and clean. I'm actually now looking for glue mistakes. I mean, here and there you can understand, but that's really bad. This one is actually a bit neater. Can you see? It's as if they didn't stick it in place, because see that? Or they expected it to be a bit bigger, so then they just try to fill it up with glue. This one is really bad. It's also not even straight here. In any case, let's hope no one else notices that. So right, this is probably what a kid will see when they're talking to you. I'm not sure if this is actually a men's shoe because it looks super chunky, like it's weird. It doesn't look like a size 5. So it's front view, front top view. It's the side view, back view, at the bum. Oh, like dimples. Other side, when you're looking down. Just need to double check the size because honestly it just doesn't seem right. Yeah, oh, it's a UK 5.5, but I think it's a men's 5.5. But still, it looks like a size 6 or size 7. Very weird. Yeah, maybe when you're wearing jeans and it goes over here, it will look a bit smaller. I'm gonna try the shoe on, but honestly I think you may need to go a size down in this, so I should probably have bought a 4.5. In any case, hope you like this video. Overall, I probably would recommend the shoe because it looks really like a piece of artwork. Yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below, if you're still awake. Okay, check out. See you later. How nicely does that close in the box? Like it's, wow, it looks like perfect, almost. But from the top it does look perfect. Hope maybe this is the future for how all premium Airmaxes come. I recently bought a few pairs of gold ones, and one came with black spots on it. So weird. Anyways, got that one returned. Hopefully I'll be getting my money back soon. Okay, that's it guys. See you later.